Okay, hello everyone. We're just gonna ignore the fact that I am a literal brunette in this video. I know there's better ways to part my hair to make it look not this brunette, but you know, I wanted to do a low bun and here we are. Hello you guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back. My name is Taylor. If you guys are new here, I do make new videos every week and I also have an Instagram if you want to give me a follow on there. You guys might be seeing a little bit of change in my channel and that's just because I feel like I'm going through a little bit of a change and I'm feeling more creative in a different way. So bear with me. I know we're not going to be really seeing a theme right away. It's gonna take some time, but I'm really excited about it. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys all of my recommendations from Sephora, the things that I've bought and think that you guys should get your hands on. A really quick disclaimer, I did want to mention to you guys, I understand that not everybody has the money right now to shop because of unemployment and everything that's going on. So, you know, I completely understand you don't need to shop and get these things. I really truly believe that materialistic things and buying stuff is not going to just change your mood. But if you are able to take advantage of this sale, I definitely recommend it. Some of the things are a little bit pricier, but the only reason why I'm recommending them is because you can get some coin off of that. No, but seriously, the only reason why I'm mentioning a couple expensive products is because you can get a percentage off of your purchase. So the sale for VIB Rouge, I think it's Rouge, that is 20% off and that started on the 17th of April and goes until the 1st of May. The VIB sale is 15% off your purchase and that goes from yesterday, which was the 21st, until the 29th. And the insiders get 10% off, which starts tomorrow, the 23rd, until the 27th. Okay, without further ado, let's just hop in. First, I'm going to be sharing my recommendations for what you guys should buy, things that I have owned, and then I'm going to be sharing what is on my wish list and what I might be picking up during this sale. So first, I'm going to start off with hair care and skincare. The first thing that I want to talk about is Sephora's waterproof eye makeup remover. I have literally been using this for probably 5 years now. This is the only makeup remover that will take off my waterproof mascara. If you guys want to see how much I love it, I literally have an empty one right here because I just finished this one last night. I have literally bought so many of these and this is definitely a recommendation. If you guys can't find something that takes off stubborn makeup, this is definitely a winner. Next is something that I'm sure you guys have seen if you've been watching these types of videos. It is the Isle of Paradise self-tanning drops. I have mentioned these in a past video. I now use a different thing to put on face tanner. That's mentioned in my current favorites video, but these are really great and if you're just getting into tanning, you know, self-tanning, these are really easy and really great to work with. They are for your face and body. I chose the shade medium. I've actually only tried these on my face because you mix it in with a moisturizer, but I might try these on my body. These are kind of on the pricier side, so definitely take advantage of picking these up if you want during this sale. The next thing I'm going to be talking about is actually in my shower, so I'm not going to take those out, but I do want to mention Olaplex. I have been using Olaplex for years now, and since my mom has her cosmetology license, we get to purchase it at the hair supply place, but they do sell these products at Sephora, which is really great, and they are kind of on the pricier side, so this is like the best time to purchase them. Basically, I use the shampoo and the conditioner as well as the number 3 treatment. Number 3 treatment is a hair mask that I use before I get my hair done, which I obviously need. Basically what it does is bond your split ends together and it's really great for color treated hair, and I've been bleaching my hair since like 5th or 6th grade, so my hair needs all the help it can get, and these products are really amazing. I love them, and if you're looking to try out a new shampoo and conditioner, check those out. If you're not willing to commit to getting the whole shampoo conditioner duo, I say just try the number 3. If you use that as a hair mask, you're gonna see results. It's really great. Okay, now we're gonna be talking about makeup. Everybody's favorite thing. So the first two things I'm gonna mention are actually palettes, and I feel like palettes are a really great thing if you're just getting into makeup. One of my most highly recommended palettes is the Naked 3 by Urban Decay. I got this years ago, but I love the shades inside. I just love all of these warm shades and that base shade at the end. You literally can do so much with this palette. The next one is not an eyeshadow palette, but a face palette. I have mentioned this so many times. It is the Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Contour palette. Oh my gosh. I love this thing, and I actually didn't get it from Sephora, but they do have it at Sephora. I ended up picking this thing up at TJ Maxx, which, I mean, we can't shop there right now. As you can see, this definitely has gotten some love. And I know once I run out of this puppy right here, I'm gonna probably get it in its own single little container. I don't know if that's the best way to describe it, but if she sells them like that, I won't need the whole palette. I'm just gonna need that shade because it's amazing for contouring. Next thing is a highlighter. I feel like I almost hit every group. Like, you guys could get an entire face of makeup out of this. I am someone who actually doesn't fully dabble in the highlighter area because I always forget to put it on. The only times that I really remember to put it on, it's not like an everyday thing, it's when I'm going out. Like, you know, going out to the clubs. This is one of my favorite highlighters. It is by Becca Cosmetics, and it is Champagne Pop. I got this so long ago when Jaclyn Hill, I'm pretty sure Jaclyn Hill made this. I don't really remember, but they still have this on the website, so if you're looking for a nice highlighter, this one is the perfect in-between warm and that cooler tone of a highlighter. I feel like this highlighter would look amazing on really any skin tone. Next is something that's in my makeup drawer, and it's really banged up, so I don't even want to share it. It is my Kat Von D tattoo liner. That's something that I'm buying. I have also been using this eyeliner for so long, and I am someone who's not that good at eyeliner, but this liner makes me feel like I'm great at it. It lasts all day for me, and if you guys are looking for a liner, that one's the best one. Next is another thing that's really dirty in my drawer, and that's my eyelash curler. I have gone through so many different eyelash curlers. Like, I've bought, return, because some of them literally don't work. I'll pump and then it'll be up for a minute and then it'll just fall down. That also has to do with the mascara that you're using, but I feel like an eyelash curler is really important if you have straight downward lashes. I use the Surratt Beauty eyelash curler, and that one is on the pricier side, so I feel like now would be the best time to pick it up because you can find like a cheap eyelash curler from CVS. But if your eyelashes are stubborn and don't really work with certain lash curlers, invest that money because it's a game changer. This next thing I actually didn't get from Sephora, I got from Ulta, but you can get it at Sephora and save some money right now. This is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I was so late to get this, but I'm at that point where I know it's gonna be a while until I turn back to using anything different. I am obsessed with this concealer. I think it's so amazing. Seriously though, I'm obsessed with the concealer. You don't really have to use a lot. It doesn't smudge. It lays on your skin so nicely. I was using a drugstore concealer, and then I realized I'm like, it's really clinging to like all of my dry spots, and I would kind of just, you know, shove it to the side and be like, whatever, no one's gonna look at me that close. But now since I've used this, I like can't turn back. Kind of pricey, but not crazy priced if you are someone who regularly spends money on makeup. This isn't crazy expensive. It obviously is more pricey than a drugstore concealer, but you're paying for something amazing because there's so much product in this and I barely use any. Next thing is another one of my staples. This is the IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Cream. This stuff, I mean, yes, this is one of those pricier foundations, and I have tried drugstore foundations, and I have tried BB creams. I've tried some pretty expensive foundations. And this one, yeah, it's kind of pricey. I'm pretty sure this is around 40 bucks. You barely have to use any. I literally do 2 pumps for my entire face, and boom, we got some coverage. We also have some SPF. There's 50 SPF in this. You should always be wearing SPF, and it's just like, oh, I put on makeup today. I'm also wearing SPF. I don't feel bad. If you guys have not tried this, now's the time to buy it, because you're going to be getting a little bit of a discount. You're not going to feel as bad. I use the shade Light, and to be honest with you, the light is when I'm tan. The only time I ever wear this is when I have fake tan on or when I'm like, you know, tan from the sun. When I'm not tan, like when I'm, you know, my natural shade, I don't wear foundation. I just wear my concealer. And you might be thinking, you're not even that tan. I know. This just gives me an extra natural glow, a little bit of coverage, covers up those annoying spots, and it's great. Recommend it. Go buy it if you can. Yeah. So that's all my recommendations, and now I'm going to be talking about my wish list. Not as long as my recommendations, because to be honest with you, if I scroll really long into the Sephora app or on the Sephora website, I really feel like I have to buy all this stuff, and my cart ends up having like 18 things in it. We can't have that right now. First things first, something that a lot of people talk about and that I kind of want is the Laura Mercier Laura Mercier? Laura Mercier translucent powder. I've tested it out. I feel like it's really nice. I feel like it's also a game changer, like when you contour, you know, baking underneath your cheeks and all those areas of your face. The next thing is something that I'm probably gonna buy today before it gets sold out again. That is the Ordinary, the AHA 30% plus BHA 2% peeling solution. That's the mask or like liquid stuff that went viral on TikTok. I don't have a TikTok, but one of my friends recommended it to me. And then I was also watching a ton of YouTube videos of like people trying TikTok hacks. And this was something that was in every video. And it's only $7. So like, why not? Another skincare product that I kind of want to try out is the Tarte Sea Mermaid Skin Hyaluronic H2O Serum. The serum is $42, so you know, it is kind of expensive. Since they're having a sale, it is one of my options. A lot of the stuff on my wish list is more so skincare and not makeup, because a lot of the makeup that I would be purchasing is stuff that I already had. Another thing that I kind of want to try, because I've been really on the skincare, like obviously we've been at home, so I don't put makeup on that often, and everything has just been self-care and skincare. So another thing I want to try are those little micro needling like dot things that you put on your face. Basically, they're little patches that you put on breakouts, and they're supposed to disappear. The ones that I found on Sephora's app are called Peace Out, and they're like $20, so that's not crazy. Also, if you guys know me, you know I never buy anything unless I do my research. I am someone who will watch every review video on YouTube. I will read every article. I will read every 5-star, 1-star, 4-star rating of that product before I buy it. But I hate returning things, especially right now. You can't just go to the store and return something. So honestly, every product that I've shared is Taylor approved. I would not share with you guys a product that I didn't love. I just had to say that because, you know, I'm very big on reviews. Another thing that I've kind of been looking into is this. It's called Sol de Janerio. I never say anything right. All of these products will be linked in the description below. This is a Glow Motions Glow Body Oil, and I just love the way that like shimmering bodies look in the summer. I hate when my body is just dull. This stuff is $35, and actually there is a few that are on sale for $26. They are different shades though. I know my wish list was kind of short, but I'm just being realistic because honestly, I'm not making any money right now, so what makes me want to spend money right now? I might put a little order in. As I mentioned earlier, it's probably going to be something like less than $50. I know that's kind of hard to do on Sephora's website, but I think I am going to pick up like my staples, things that I need backups of, because it makes sense. If I can save a little bit of money now and not have to spend it in the future, having a product that I know I'm going to use up and know that I'm going to use it just makes sense. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Let me know in the comments down below what you're going to be maybe picking up from Sephora or what's on your wish list of something that you might pick up in the future. I hope you all are doing your best and trying to stay positive during these times, staying healthy and safe. Thank you guys again for watching. I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.